I'm Damon Keith, National Product and Development Manager for Spotless Services, and I've been with Downer for 7 years. In our line of business, we have over 3,000 casual, full-time and part-time employees that deliver cleaning, security and sweeping services to portfolios across the country. I foster a culture of authenticity in the team. I ask that everybody bring their true self to the table. We own our results. We actively bring thought leadership to the table. We like our teams to think out of the box. This way we can challenge ourselves to be better for better outcomes at the end. Owning the outcome means to me delivering on our promises to our customers, making sure that what we've said we will do, we do it well, and we commit to delivering it in the time frame that we put forward. Innovation is important for moving forward, for growth. We're actively working on robotics and how we can bring that into our network of contracts and service delivery partners. Delivering a great result to our customers makes us all feel wonderful on the inside. We feel empowered and we feel engaged. An example of a team member owning the results is Pravini, who ended up being the Melbourne Monarch during the Moomba Festival, who was a part of our Yarra Trams cleaning contract, who absolutely owned the results, gave great customer service and delivered on the promises. Delivering on time and on budget is a promise we make to both our internal Downer stakeholders and the customers that we are working for. So to achieve the results on time is absolutely paramount. I'm proud of our team.